Leave the neighbors alone. Huckleberry, want to get the water? Come on, guys. Nobody's interested. Joe, you can go ahead and shut it off. Oh, you drink it now? Otis! Hi, handsome. Hi, handsome. I tried to give you some water. You guys didn't want it. You're interested now, huh, Max? Little dogs are bound and determined to get out here. Katrina's like, yep, this is my spot. Bosco, come on. Bosco. Come on. Good boy. Come on. I'll lay in the wet grass, but I'm not going to go underneath that sprinkler. Oh, yeah? What? Tell me. Tell me, Bosco. Oh, beautiful Katrina. Bosco. Come on. Come on. You can't even see them. You don't even know what you're barking at.